Alright guys, so we came to Moto Social Hamilton. We got the crew out. We got the footage with the boys coming here, which I might post or might not post. You guys are here. Awesome turnout. Great weather. It's called Hutches on the Bay or Hutches on the Lake. Something like that. Hutches on something. And we got a few more of the guys here. Lake is on that side, so yeah. 650. Mosquitoes though. Cruisers coming in this way. Oh, I like it. Badass bikes, bro. That's a badass bike. Oh, there's some other crews. I don't know if they're coming or they're leaving. I think they're coming. That's beautiful too. Look at this, man. Look at that. Yo, that looks so nice. God damn. That's beautiful. Yeah, that's beautiful, bro. God damn. Wow, that looks beautiful. I like the color scheme on it, right? Better than your R1? Color scheme wise?
It's the colors are better.
What about the bike? That's a nice color too. It's like a stunt bike, right? Let's go get check out the food menu and then we'll go give it a shot after. Ah, that's a nice bike. Look at that. Alright, so we got a full lineup of the crew. Oh, these are nice bikes too. So this is the world's first R3 that came to Canada with a 1000cc engine. Carbon edition. Carbon edition R3 with a carbon wheels, Graves exhaust, and expert rider. It's a one-off Yamaha special. And this is the limited edition that will never be available again.
The sticker came out perfect.
Yeah, no, I honestly did. You almost had me confused.
Yeah, a lot of people right now, they go, it's not R3.
Yo, you know what? You know which sticker would be better? An R7.
R3 is better.
Three is better? Okay, all right. What do you think? 3 or 7? R3 or R7?
R7 is gonna look good.
R7. That's a beautiful bike, though.
So this is
Carbon. This is an R3.
It's the same bike as mine. I've been trying to tell my insurance. It's just they put carbon on it. That's it.
Yeah, exactly. And the VIN number is a little bit different, but that's okay.
And the Akrapovic.
Yeah, that's a Graves exhaust, but that's okay too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It looks like an Akrapovic.
On this side.
Yeah. So they're the same bike. It looks crazy. Oh, that's nice right there. Look at that. That's a nice little bike right there too. Look at that. That's beautiful. The duck is here by the water. All right. The duck brought another duck, technically. This guy's a famous YouTube content creator. There's no girl on the back today, but maybe tomorrow. Maybe that might be. No, that's not a girl. Okay.
What's your guys?
What's up, man? You're arriving real early.
I know. I'm trying to come as soon as I can.
This is the content creator of Brampton. Ah.
That's it.
I was trying to make a video. So I said stay beside me, far away, so then I can get a video of you. Yeah.